Hey y'all, I told you I'd make a video on the day that I had my cleaning. Well, I just had it done. Different than I kind of thought it was going to happen. They remove your teeth, they go put them in like a sauna, like a sonic cleaner. They scrape around your bar or your implants, whatever you have. Kind of like they would if you had your teeth cleaned, your real teeth cleaned. And then they polish it, and then the dentist comes in, checks your gums, checks your bite, checks your bone structure back here underneath, checks your tongue, does that oral cancer screening, make sure your gums look pink and good, not, don't look bad or infected, and that's about it. Checks your bite, make sure that you're biting right, make sure that when you're biting, this is not hitting hard or something like that. She did something. And yeah, super easy. My mouth feels really, really clean. Not that it don't any other time, but didn't take but maybe 20, 30 minutes max doing that. And yeah. I'm supposed to get mine done every 6 months. That's what I'm going to have to be doing. Some people it might be sooner, some people it might be, longer. But it's very important. I found that it is very important. And I also found that it is important even if you don't have your teeth. More so, they'll clean your teeth. They'll put them in like the sonic cleaner, and they'll check your gums. I don't necessarily, they will not clean your gums. They didn't clean my upper gums. They just cleaned my implants. So I think it's more or less going to the dentist, cleaning your teeth, making sure your gums still look fresh and pink, making sure your bite is good, making sure everything is good. It's like a yearly checkup for people who have dentures. It is a 3 to 6 month checkup for people who have implants. But it's very important that you do that because, like I said, your oral health is very important to keeping your implants in, and also to keeping your bone structure and your mouth just healthy. She said everything looked good. My gums were pink. Bone loss is not down here, a little bit at the top, but that was because I just had my teeth pulled a year ago. Not bad. Said I had good section on my top. Everything was great. I'm actually kind of sad that I don't have to come back here for 6 months, so I won't be coming back till December. But I might have to make a run up here or something, because like this has been my home for a year today. This has been my home. I have been here almost every week to every couple of weeks for the last year. So it's kind of sad to not come back here for that, but I'll be back. This is my dental home. I'll be back with my dad. His journey is not over. Mine is over. But I will continue to make videos and let you guys know, about my journey and what happens in the future. I probably will be looking at upper implants, just not at the moment. Probably will when I go back, probably in 6 months. But right now everything is okay. Everything is calm. Like I said, I wanted to take a break from going to doctors all the time. But like I said, I'm here for you guys if y'all ever need any questions or worries or concerns. I've kind of been through it all, and I'll let you guys know how everything is going. But I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.